you for a good talk. You have given us a little bird's eye view of it. Thanks. Thank you.
Good evening, respected chairpersons and respected guests of the dais. I am going to present the RNTCP internal evaluation of a chest clinic in Delhi and experience. As we all know that the TB mortality and prevalence has decreased because of inception of RNTCP, and we are on the right track towards achievement of Millennium Development Goal. RNTCP of Delhi has been adjudged as one of the best in the country in terms of case detection, success rate and mortality rate, and this has been attributed due to its continuous monitoring and supervision activities. What is the plus point for this is that there is a logical framework for monitoring and evaluation, and as per the protocol in Delhi, internal evaluation is undertaken for 2 districts every quarter. So this experience was a part of the internal evaluation in which we went. So the objectives of internal evaluation was to assess the district program performance, financial, logistic, management, recording and reporting, and quality of care received by patients, and to give recommendations for improving the quality of program implementation and program performance. The chest clinic chosen for evaluation was the NDMC Polyclinic, and the period of evaluation was between 20th to 22nd September 2010, and the evaluation team consisted of a state TB officer. This is all the members of the team are as per the protocol of RNTCP internal evaluation. Based on the protocol, the DOT centers were selected. The 5 DMC cum DOT centers that we visited were one from RMN Hospital, Charak Palika Hospital, NDMC Polyclinic, Golf Link Dispensary and Safdarjung Hospital, and a medical college, AIMS. And besides this, 3 additional DOT centers, that is the ESI Dispensary DOT Center at Sarojini Nagar, CGHS Dispensary, and an NGO associated DOT Center at Ambedkar Basti. In all, the selection of the patients were dependent upon the number of patients that are visiting the DMCs. We had taken 4 NSP patients from 2 DMCs with low caseloads. Then we had taken 4 NSP patients each from DMCs at district tuberculosis centers and 2 tuberculosis unit, and 1 patient each. So coming total of 24 patients were taken with from DMCs with high caseload. And it is a mandate to take 2 pediatric patients as well. So overall there were 36 randomly selected patients that we had to interview. And the study tools included the RNTCP records, reports, treatment cards, patient files, drug boxes, and discussions with medical officers, as well as home interviews with the 36